saw some training center in Nandyala, Guru Raghavendra Training Center, I hope. The Sagar Reddy sir, bank coaching. He won't teach anything, man. Day one onwards, keep on writing exams only. Write exam and then paper explanation, faculty is going to take care. Every day, morning exam, evening paper explanation. Morning exam, evening paper explanation. Then obviously, for the exam clearance, which thing must be required is this thing. Keep on explaining theory and so on. There is no use at all. Oh, huge number of students got job with this method. Remember, I hope the people from Nandyala side, Rayalaseema side, you may be aware that. Okay? So just, so only theory. Real performance, real test must be required. Okay. Employee example consider. Arvind is there. Arvind the test candidates before hiring. He gives a small real tasks. He checked his thinking and execution. He hides based on performance. He's always going to hide based on performance on real task. Arvind believes work shows truth, not words, not resume. Work shows truth. Work shows truth, not words or not resume. What the result we are going to get? A strong team is going to get less hiring mistakes, better results. But what about Manoj? Manoj hides based on interview. Based on interview, not on real task. Just he is asking some randomly 4 questions and he got the job. He is giving. He trusts a resume. He does not test a candidate. He rushes hiring. He is feeling that interview is enough. Not real test. Interview is enough. Wrong hires, team issues, loss of time. Smart hiring saves time. Remember. Okay. Ramesh, business owner example, Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh follows a test first hiring. He gives a real project tasks. He pays for the test work. He's going to pay for the test work. He observes behavior and thinking. He observes behavior and thinking. Ramesh understands, I should see real performance before hiring. I should see real performance before hiring. Before hiring. So strong team, so lesser risk, business growth. But what about Suresh case? Completely different. Suresh hires quickly. He depends on interview. He does not test. He doesn't test. He faces repeated hiring problems. Because he's hurry is going to recruit. He's depending only on the resume and interview. And the real task is not going to test. Suresh is always feeling, okay, this person is not good. I will adjust later. Like, what is the need? Recruit a correct person. So because of this hurry recruitment is based on resume, recruitment based on only interview, wrong employees, loss of money, stress. Remember carefully. Okay. So this thing must be required, man. One wrong person can damage everything. Don't trust words. Trust the performance. Testing reveals the truth. Smart decisions need proof. Blind decisions create loss. Blind decisions creates loss. Words can impress. Work shows the truth. Words can impress, but work shows the truth. Testing reduces a risk. If you test, then the risk level is going to be down. Experience is the best evaluation. Okay, smart hiring means smart growth. Smart hiring means smart growth. One wrong person can destroy everything. Hiring mistake is very costly. Interview is not enough. Testing is must. Best example for you people, Google. Google recruitment. How many rounds will be there? 6 rounds, 7 rounds, 8 rounds, 10 rounds also sometimes. Big companies. How many rounds will be there? Do you ever write? Normal companies, one interview, HR interview, job is ready. Some companies, just a written test, job is ready. But if you go for the Google selection process is a bit difficult. Amazon selection process is a bit different. Correct, right?
Yes.
Why those many levels? Because most of the times to go for Google interview, the person is going to feel that there multiple levels are there. We require to take care. Have you remembered? Have you ever got such type of feeling for big companies recruitment?
Yes.
Yes, friends.
Yes, sir. Sometimes 5 rounds, 6 rounds, and will be there.
It will be there. Google does not hire easily. Their process includes multiple rounds, real problem solving, skill testing. What is the reason? Because they don't want wrong hires. What is the result? Because of that strong team, high performance, and continuous innovation. Okay, big companies test deeply. Quality team. If the quality team is there, strong company will become strong. Hiring is a long-term decision. Right people create success. Wrong people destroy the company. They believe that. That's why multiple rounds of interview they're always going to take.